I'm just gonna wait.
Ew, Jenna.
Ew, what?
Jenna's farted. Look, Mommy's farted.
That was Jenna. Do it again.
Just the way she said it. That was so cute.
Mallory.
Yeah.
Mallory.
What?
How'd you?
What?
How you?
What?
Did you fart?
Oh no, that was Jenna.
It was Mallory. Don't fuck with me.
No. Because I was like, do it again. Come on.
I can't.
I gotta be Facebook famous. Or YouTube famous. Come on, Jenna. Come on.
I don't got to anymore.
Well, she won't fart, but she'll burp. That counts. Do it again.
Again?
Yeah. Do it again.
Hold on. I can't just like, woo, right? Like, okay.
That's awesome. Well, there you go. What's your name?
I got it for you.
She farted before this. She just doesn't want to fart again. But she'll burp. Burp again. You got to give me ideas what to do. I can't just poof up somebody farting. Do it again.
Jocelyn.
Okay.
Jocelyn.
What? Kiana, do something. Kylie, you do something.
What?
Do something funny. Show them how to twerk.
Do it. Go twerk.
Okay. Are you gonna take it? Is it gonna be funny?
It's gonna be funny.
Okay.
Go twerk. Wait, go forward. Like, scoot up. They can't really see it. Scoot up. No, like, that way.
I'll do it.
Yeah. That's how you twerk. Oh my god. Okay.
My turn. Let me see.
Your turn to twerk?
Let me see.
Wait, doesn't she have to have a shirt on?
Yeah. Kiana, stop.
Let me see, Colin. Let me see a picture of me. Let me see.
Don't look at me.
Picture of me, Molly.
And we're clear. That is
You
whatever.
got it on your face. Turn it over. There you go.
Am I right?
There you go.
No, you can't twerk.